You are home after a long day of work and making food or cleaning the house seems like an impossible chore for you. Wouldn't your life be a little easier if there was a helping hand to relieve you of your chores? Scientists have developed robots that use artificial intelligence to master intricate human tasks and can help you fold laundry or make a cup of coffee at home. Here are some of the best home robots that will make your life easier. With internet technology becoming increasingly advanced, people are sure to find a way to automate more chores with smart devices. Whether it be a smart robot that just cleans your windows for you, a laundry folding machine, or just your regular futuristic vacuuming robot, here are some of the best robots that will do your chores for you. The SpinX Toilet Cleaning Robot. Toilet cleaning seems like the most hated chore in the world. For a chore this hated, you would think scientists would be the first to develop robots that clean your toilet for you. However, this technology is still in its early days, with only a few products available for sale. Despite this setback, we have managed to get our hands on the best toilet cleaning robot you would hope for. The team at SpinX recently announced their SpinX Toilet Cleaning Robot, which is a futuristic device that includes scanning the latest technology, making it suitable for different types of toilet bowls. The robot also boasts features like residue scanning and collision detection. Robotic Vacuum Cleaner. A robotic vacuum cleaner, often called a Roomba as a generic trademark, is an autonomous robotic vacuum cleaner with intelligent programming and a limited vacuum floor cleaning system. It was first launched by consumer robot maker iRobot in 2002 and brought autonomous cleaning to a wider audience. In the latest model, the Roomba S9 Plus allows users to program the floor area that they want to be cleaned via an app, while automatic bin emptying allows for hands-free cleaning. Also, it's tiny compared to the regular vacuum cleaner and can be kept anywhere. Autonomous Lawnmower Husqvarna 430X. Just like autonomous robotic vacuum cleaners, they have a variety of sensors that make it easier for them to navigate certain areas. Robotic lawnmowers are extremely safe, even though they have dangerous blades underneath. Safety features like collision detection systems prevent robotic mowers from bumping into obstacles, as there is a blade to cut off the grass, but you don't need to be worried about it. Better still, high-tech sensors turn the blade off when objects get close or whenever you lift the machine. These features are there to help avoid accidents and injuries to children, adults, and pets. GrillBot Automatic Grill Cleaner. Everyone loves barbecue and barbecue food tastes great, but the effort that goes into prepping and cleaning processes is sure to make anyone tired. But fear not, all of you grill enthusiasts out there can rejoice. Now there are robots that can clean your grill top for you. Say bye-bye to the lengthy process of vigorously scrubbing away at the stubborn grease. This cute little robot will do all that hard work for you. The process requires little to no effort on your part and instead leaves the hard work to the robot that executes it pretty well. Dolphin Nautilus Plus. Automated cleaning solutions for home pools have been around for some time. While original models were dependent on your pool's pump system, modern pool cleaning robots are smarter than ever. Dolphin, just like its name suggests, is a pool cleaning robot of the future. This latest robotic pool cleaner has sensors that prevent it from getting stuck in corners or floating aimlessly on the water surface. A feature that has allowed the robot to turn into an app-enabled pool cleaning robot is also in development. This feature gives you the freedom to guide the robot, adjust its modes, set timers, and more from a distance. It comes with great reviews and great performance at a reasonable price. The Dolphin Nautilus Plus should be a must-have on your wish list. Effie Smart Iron. Ironing is a chore you need to stay on top of if you want your clothes to look presentable and clean, but when you have a massive wardrobe, ironing can be an extremely hot and tiring process, which is why there is a need for an automatic ironing robot that would understand your needs and do the work for you. Thanks to Team Effie, Smart Iron has already started work on this amazing idea and the product is currently under development. The Effie Smart Iron is an automatic smart iron similar to a clothing press or hanging clothes dryer, but gentler. It does not require you to handle the clothing personally during the ironing process. The iron judges the quality of the garment's material and adjusts its heat settings accordingly with some basic standard modes available for the most commonly used materials like cotton, etc. iRobot Luge 330 Gutter Cleaning Robot. Gutter cleaning is a smelly nightmare for anyone who isn't comfortable with heights or the gunk that forms in that place over time. Fear not, for the iRobot 330 Gutter Cleaning Robot is here for your rescue. You just need to allow it to take care of the task on your behalf. The robot might not be as high-tech as some of the other robots, which have app and internet connectivity, but it is certainly one of the most useful and urgently needed ones. You can operate the iRobot Luge 300 with remote controls and set them to respond to different modes. The best feature of this robot is that you don't need to guide the robot along. Not only is this robot great at cleaning through hard-to-reach corners, it's also a super cool gadget that serves as a safer way to clean your gutters if you live in a multi-story house. Bot Care. This robot from Samsung is a health robot with AI technology to take care of little details in our lives, like monitoring blood pressure, heart rate, respiration, and sleeping state 24/7. It uses AI and unique sensors, which makes it smart enough to monitor our activities and learn our habits. It can remind us of our meetings and calls and when it's time to take our medicine. It can also remind us to take a break after sitting on the desk for too long. S5 PTZ Security Robot. If you're always concerned about the security of your property, you can have an unbiased robotic security guard for your home. S5 PTZ Security is an effective CCTV solution for open spaces. The PTZ camera can zoom in and recognize a human at distances of up to 330 feet. It can also capture long-distance visuals from your surroundings as well. Due to its mobility, the robot changes its surveillance position at regular intervals. In case of any suspicious movements, S5 has the capability of warning the owners through a security alarm. It also records all the footage that can be seen later. Temi. If you like Alexa, then you would definitely love Temi. Temi is a whole lot better than Alexa only because Temi is a robot with Alexa built in. With this added beauty, you can ask for recipes you need, play music of your choice, read a book for you, or become your yoga partner. She is about the size of a toddler who weighs 26 pounds and stands 3.2 feet high. She has got wheels for feet and a 10-inch touchscreen for a head. Her charging lasts for 8 hours. She has 3 camera systems, 4 microphones, and light detection and ranging sensors in it. The cameras can be used for facial recognition so that Temi can identify people and perform flawless autonomous navigation. Molly Robotic Kitchen. Of all the previous robots, this is one of the most outstanding ones. It is an ultimate solution for those who can't cook after a tiring day at home. You can order Molly to cook dinner for you and she will present it. It will adapt your menu according to your food choices, diets, and lifestyles, and you just need to freshen up and pick your food from Molly to eat. Not only does the robot cool complete meals, but it can also tell you when ingredients need replacing, suggest dishes based on the items you have in stock, learn what you like, and even clean up its surfaces. If you are planning to start a restaurant and can't seem to find expert cooks, Molly is here to amaze you with her spectacular cooking skills. Walker. Walker is a robot manufactured by UBTech Robotics, a global AI and humanoid robotics company. Walker is an agile, smart service robot, an intelligent bipedal humanoid robot with a torso, arms, hands, and a head designed to one day be an important part of your family or even your lifelong companion. Walker is 4.75 feet tall and weighs 170 pounds. Its arms and hands help it to properly grasp and manipulate objects. With UBTech's very own simultaneous localization and mapping technology and 36 high-performance actuators along with sensors, Walker can plan its own paths, avoid obstacles, and stabilize itself while walking smoothly. The road to Industrial Revolution was a rocky, disruptive one that was poised with many challenges, resulting in a general disruption of human civilization, which improved working and living conditions and gave rise to new possibilities. The Intelligence Revolution will be much the same, but will ultimately make life as we know it easier, safer, and more efficient. What do you think of these robots? Which ones would you want for your homes? Let us know your thoughts in the comments.